Hi, I'm Jake and I'm going to walk you through the steps for proper maintenance on your Hoover SmartWash Pet. After you finish cleaning, make sure it's turned off and unplugged. To remove the dirty water tank, grab the handle and pull it out. Place the tank next to the sink, tub, or wherever you wish to empty it. Unlatch the lid and lift off the top. Before you empty, make sure to remove the filter basket. You can now pour out the dirty water tank, rinse all parts under running water, then set them aside to dry. Next, remove the nozzle from the floor head by pulling this latch. Rinse the nozzle under running water and set it aside to dry. To remove the brush rolls, simply lift these tabs to pull them up and out. The brush rolls have an antimicrobial embedded coating that helps block pet odors. However, we recommend cleaning them after every use to keep your carpet cleaner fresh. Remove the tabs and rinse everything under running water. Once all parts are clean and dry, it all goes back together the same way it came apart. Reinsert the tabs onto the brush rolls and angle the end into the gear drive. Press the other side down until it snaps into place. Then attach the nozzle cover by aligning the tabs on the nozzle with these notches and slide it until it snaps on. Next, place the filter basket back into the tank and the lid back on by lining up the tabs with the notches. Then tilt it closed and latch it shut. Place the front edge here and tilt it back into place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at hoover.com.